Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to add experience to your profile on LinkedIn. So after opening up your LinkedIn app, the first thing you do is tap on your profile icon at the top left corner, tap on your settings, tap on the settings option at the bottom, tap on account preferences, tap on name, location and industry, and then you go to the experiences, tap on the plus icon which means to add. You can push on add career break, and once you do, you fill it and you tap on save. That's if you're adding career break. If you want to add the position, tap on add position, fill it in, and you can tap on save. You can also turn this off if you don't want to be notified. If you want them to be notified, you leave it off. If you want them to be notified, turn it on. If you don't want to be notified, leave it off. It's as simple as that.